Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. We're gone. Place up first and foremost, I will on the with the latest updates and mix up and mix down. So subscribe and like if for your first time over here so before watching.
Man, they make me know how you still look a fucky dirty blood clot gal.
As with the description of the video say, guys, a hot video today, so tune in. The girl named Milan, the said girl with tattoos Skillibeng Name on her forehead. Well, we know that fake boy, but we soon talk about that. Anyways, I think 2 weeks ago, Pretti Don place her in her place, but now I got tell her, and out of the said video, the million what she want him, style back Pretti Don using the said words from her own mouth for sure, say here character and some name. But it kinda spicy, but I got tell her when I like see people get fight end of the day still, is me. At least not like that, cause we are gonna get fight.
Only Milan, music villain. Try take me space, get 2 clips in here, hey boy.
Like, I just want to say, all of this caused by crowd chasing, is it from the start. But you don't know, people confirm say the tattoo fake. They can pull up bucket, look a bit back and look on the 2 picture them when they share, and look on the spacing between our forehead, if you don't believe.
My beautiful baby girl, Kaylin. Yeah.
Up next, we are talking about Kaylin Doddy. You see me? And people who know Wull they know some pain of vlog about a little girl here. Since she get gang on her mother. Just happy for know say she a come on. Me would say she 100, you see it with her mother. Just glad for know she alive. Her birthday coming up and so forth. What me I go do make her mother give her the rest of update, you see.
I don't know how I'm going to pull it off, but I'm going to have to get to work. Guys, I'm not worried. I'm reading the comments. I'm not worried. I'm not worried about Kaylin anymore. You know why? Even though I still cry at times if she's not doing well, I don't believe God is gonna bring her this far and leave her. I don't believe he's gonna save her life so many times and then let her die. I don't believe. I don't believe God is gonna give her so much hope and then, let it all go down. Because Kaylin's situation is not only affecting Kaylin and her family, it's affecting all of us. You guys who are looking on, you guys who are praying and investing time and effort and prayer into her, right? This has brought hope, faith to a lot of people, because I get the testimonies. I get a lot of testimonies. And, it's birthing something beautiful as well, because I am now being pushed into starting a ministry based on what is going on. Persons have been coming to me for help, for prayer, for help, counseling, things like that. People are reaching out to me, to help get them through situations that they are going through as well. So this is not just about Kaylin, it's about all of us, and trying to make a change and make a difference in someone else's life. God is a healing God. God is a miraculous God. God is still doing the miraculous. He's still in the miracle business. And I don't have a doubt in my mind that he'll do it. As a matter of fact, I believe that he's already done. She's already healed. Her body is fine. Everything, Cheyenne, you're shaking me. Everything is going according to plan. It's just for her to get off this machine. That is the last lap. Kaylin is coming from 1% and she's to me, it's a 95 for me. So that little 5% is just for her to just off the vent, and then she'll be fine. And Nia, you haven't missed anything, darling. He'll not leave her nor forsake her, and that much I do know. So now, you know, we don't have to worry. We just have to stay prayed up. She can't walk. She can talk. She's eating. She's drinking. She's moving her limbs. But she cannot walk. She cannot get up out the bed as yet because she's in the bed for so long. And remember, guys, it's a C2 spinal injury where she was at one point considered cripple. Or what you'd call, let's say a word for being cripple. Well, we work with cripple for now because the brain not catching up so quickly. Right? So she was disabled or paralyzed. Right, that's the word. So she's coming from paralysis, and now she's moving everything. She's talking, she's conscious, she's fully conscious, brain is working, everything is working. Right? So we just have to try and figure out what's causing the seizures so we can put a stop to it, because that will continuously set her back and keep her on that ventilator. We don't want that. Right? So she's on and off, but she can't stay off because of she's not breathing enough breaths. Her breaths aren't strong enough for her to be off the vent as yet. All right, moving forward. That's for Kaylan. The persons that have reached out to me in regards to her birthday, you guys know my number, 1-876-362-1827. All the other information are still available. She has made a birthday list. I did post the birthday list. And I would, if you've decided to help with the birthday list, please reach out to me ASAP, because as you know, it's just a few days away, and I don't want to be doing anything last minute. Right? Well, it's already last minute. So that's it. She's a strong girl. You know, she's so fired up for her birthday. She talking about her ear. Me ask her today where you want. She said, if me not see the list, she actually wants that blonde wig. Anybody that does hair or sells wigs who can give me a discount. Yes, the Cash App is pound sign. That's the currency pound sign. Justice for Kaylan. And that Cash App is organized by Chevelle Carr Clark. The GoFundMe is still up. I see Angela may popping up. Angela, could you put the Cash App out? I see persons asking for the Cash App. Yes, she's June 21st. Her birthday is June 21st. You know, it's her 18th birthday, guys. She's turning 18, and she says she a big woman. She tell the nurse them say she a big woman now, and she bathe when she want bathe. So them not fi ask, them fi tell her it's bathing time, cause she bathe when she want bathe. Right? So guys, we wanna, right, that's next Monday. That's next Monday. Right? So we're gonna work on, I'm trying my best to get everything on that list, because it's not that, even if she's not gonna be, I know the phone is very useful. The phone that she has now, the screen is broken, so I guess that's why she's asking for a new phone. They're charging nearly $30,000 for a phone screen. Like, seriously? That don't make sense to me, right? She too rank. Yes, she ranked bad. She says she not Kaylan a drama, you know. Kaylan is trust me, guys, the nurses love her. The doctors love her. Because she's a bundle of joy. If you go in her cubicle, you'll come out laughing, because that's how Kaylan is. She's just a comedian and a little drama queen, you know. You know, if me go up there, remember that the thump in the eye thing that she did. I went up there the next day, and I put my hand like this and go like this, and she goes so Murder! Murder! Call the police. She abused me. She abused me. That's when the nurse come. What is it, Kaylan? Call the police. She abused me. And them all they can do is laugh. So that is Kaylan. Right? If me go and touch her so, she ball out murder and she make up her face. Why? Look what she do. She thump me in my face. She jump me in my eye. Nurse. You know, when I go up there and threaten her, she said me can't threaten her because I'm in her place. And she have our crew, which is the nurses are her crew and the doctors. And them will defend her and don't feel like, she said, as a matter of fact, I'm going to tell me security, said don't let you in. That's her style. That's her style. So she's, trust me, she have them cracking up. Oh, every single day. Every single day. She have them right. That's right, Abigail. Yes, so, you know, she said she will use the good hand. She said, me will use the good hand. Yes, God bless. Yes, she's 100%. I believe she's 100%. You know, it's just for us to just believe that it's already done. I just need everybody to just believe with me. It's already done. She's already healed. The miracle has already happened. We prayed for a miracle. And I just need everybody to just believe that it's already done. Right? Just believe with me that it's already done. So we can, you know, for this miracle to just activate and she just get off the ventilator. She can get home. Because that's what she really wants. Because the other day when she had the seizure, and the fact that when she had the seizure, she was off the vent at the moment, and they had to put her. And when she woke up and saw that she was on the vent, she was so frantic, and she was like, put me back, take me off, where put me back, pan it for, wanna put me back, pan it for, wanna put me back, pan it for, take me off. And the nurse was saying, Kaylan, we can't take you off the machine because you're not breathing. You stopped breathing. You're not breathing. And you know, she was so, and for the entire day, she didn't speak. She didn't speak the entire day. She was down. She was sad. She was teary all the time. And you know, the next day she was sad. And no matter how I tried, you know, I had to be doing a lot of crazy stuff to try and get her to smile. But I know how it feels, because when you're in the hospital for so long and you see a little ray of hope, as if there's hope that you will go home, and then you go right back down to square one. It's a very hard thing to do. Shout out to the persons that have been saying hi to me. I met several persons who saw me online at the hospital. You know, I pray that their relatives get out well, and you know, get well soon and move and leave the hospital.